Are you a business owner, property manager, or homeowner experiencing backups in your drains and sewer system? You don't have to rely on traditional plumbing methods any longer. No major disruptions in or around your property. That's where ePipe and eDRAIN step in. For over 25 years, we have been leaders in the pipelining industry with our excellent customer service. Our patented proven processes go above and beyond codes and compliance. We send out experienced certified technicians to determine the problem and provide the best solution available. With eDRAIN technology, you can monitor our work right from the comfort of your home or office. We will determine the best options for your property, which can include our Fast Cure UV Light Ray lining product, an inversion lining process, or even a brush coat lining system. We'll recommend the best approach for the job, but the basic principle is, by inserting or brush coating a lining into the hose pipe, we effectively create a new pipe within the old pipe, extending the life of your pipes. The eDRAIN process means a cleaner, faster, and longer-lasting solution for your property. We take the extra step to provide our customers with the ultimate resolutions to their problems. The next time you or someone you know experiences drain and sewer issues, let our team educate you on our leading-edge technology that we utilize to repair and prevent plumbing issues.